Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Institutional crypto infrastructure has officially crossed a historic threshold. The tokenized real-world asset market has surged past the $40 billion milestone. This shift is being driven by heavyweights including Broadridge, KKR, and Swift. Their involvement signals a structural change in how capital moves across borders. Top 15 blockchain infrastructure firms are leading this charge. They are building the rails for traditional finance to integrate with digital assets. This is no longer speculative. It is foundational. Meanwhile, corporate governance remains under the microscope. Innodata CEO Jack Abuhoff liquidated $23.7 million in stock. This sale comes amid a broader tech sell-off. OpenAI litigation fears and geopolitical risks are weighing heavily on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Investors are fleeing uncertainty. The CEO's move suggests caution at the highest level of the company. It reflects a broader sentiment of risk aversion in the technology sector. In related news, the utility of blockchain forensics was proven in a high-profile case. Coinbase blockchain forensics team assisted UK police in securing convictions for 5 suspects. The case involved a crypto-linked kidnapping. Authorities traced £1,900 in stolen assets. This demonstrates the growing capability of on-chain analysis to support law enforcement. It also highlights the transparency inherent in public ledgers, even when criminals attempt to obscure their trails. Looking ahead to today's release, macro data will dominate trading flows. The United Kingdom reports its inflation rate at 6 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. The forecast stands at 2.6%, down significantly from the previous 3.3%. This drop could ease pressure on the Bank of England. Simultaneously, the UK unemployment rate is due at the same time. The forecast is 5.1%, up from 4.9%. These figures will set the tone for gilt yields. We already saw yields drop after Mayor Andy Burnham pledged fiscal discipline. Today's data will confirm whether that confidence holds. In North America, Canada releases its inflation rate at 12:30 Universal Time Coordinated. The forecast is 3%, a notable rise from the previous 2.4%. This uptick may complicate the Bank of Canada's path to rate cuts. Meanwhile, pre-market earnings provide granular insight. The Home Depot, BILI, and Eagle Point Credit are reporting. Technical levels and macro expectations will guide their volatility. Finally, Japan's GDP growth rate for the quarter is due at 23:50 Universal Time Coordinated. The forecast is 0.1%, down from 0.3%. This slowdown adds to global growth concerns. The Australian RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 Universal Time Coordinated will offer further clues on regional policy. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.